been a really exciting day because we've just installed a sculpture here on campus in advance of the Commonwealth Games, which is coming to Birmingham in a few weeks' time. The piece is about 2 metres tall and it looks dramatically different depending on the way that you approach it and the view that you have of it. You can see the figure is stationary but poised, ready for action, and as you walk around it, he's running past in a blur. The figure is gold and is made of bronze, and altogether that makes us think of athletes and movement and medals. But that's not the whole story.
This sculpture addresses the way we understand the world around us and how these ideas change over time. It does this through the juxtaposition of modern technologies and traditional classical Greek sculpture. It's part of a series called Divine Principles. Each one is based on the planets of the solar system. This specific sculpture, called Father Sky Uranus, comes from the Greek mythology around the Greek god Uranus, who is known as the personification of the sky. Through the intersection between art and science, traditional and the modern, this sculpture explores the ways that we make sense of the universe, from the molecular to the planetary, through religion, theology, mythology and science.